Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my Best Top 5 Produce Camera Para Auto Video Review. Number 1. Dashcam for Car Black Box Driving Video Recorders 4K Wi-Fi. Capture every journey in ultra-clear detail with the Dashcam for Car Black Box Driving Video Recorders 4K Wi-Fi. Featuring stunning 4K resolution and built-in Wi-Fi, this dashcam lets you easily view, download, and share videos directly from your smartphone. The advanced night vision ensures crystal clear footage even in low-light conditions, while loop recording and motion detection keep your vehicle protected 24/7. Perfect for daily commutes or long road trips. This dashcam is your reliable driving companion. Number 2. Dashcam 4K Wi-Fi GPS Dash Camera. Experience next-level driving safety with the Dashcam 4K Wi-Fi GPS Dash Camera. Designed for precision and performance, it records in sharp 4K UHD with a wide-angle lens to capture every detail on the road. The integrated GPS tracks speed and route, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows instant file access via your smartphone. With G-sensor protection and seamless loop recording, your driving moments are always safe and secure. A must-have for modern drivers who value clarity and reliability. Number 3. Ansvicom 4K 3-channel Car DVR Wi-Fi. The Ansvicom 4K 3-channel Car DVR Wi-Fi offers complete coverage of your vehicle's surroundings with front, rear, and interior cameras. Its 4K Ultra HD resolution delivers sharp visuals day or night, supported by a powerful night vision sensor. Built-in Wi-Fi makes it easy to transfer videos to your phone, and parking mode ensures continuous protection even when the engine is off. Stay confident and protected with Ansvicom's triple lens precision. Number 4. EC Dashcam Car DVR 4.3-inch Mirror FHD 1080p Camera. Upgrade your driving visibility with the EC Dashcam Car DVR 4.3-inch Mirror FHD 1080p Camera. This sleek rearview mirror dashcam features a large 4.3-inch display and full HD 1080p recording for front and rear views. With its parking assist function and automatic loop recording, you can drive and park with peace of mind. Easy to install and stylishly designed, it blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior for a smart, modern look. Number 5. New Model 3-channel Dash Car Camera 1080p. Drive with total confidence using the new Model 3-channel Dash Car Camera 1080p. It provides complete visual coverage and safety on every journey. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.